Welcome back to my kitchen again on What's Cooking Coco. So today we are going to be making one of my favorite childhood breakfast dishes. And it's so easy. Literally, you cannot go wrong with it. And let's get started. I'm going to tell you exactly what we're going to need and how we're just going to go ahead and whip this up in no time. I remember as a child, my mom used to always make this. And it's just so good. It's so good. It's so quick. It's so easy. So what we're going to be making today is chorizo con papas y huevos. So it's really easy. So I have my pan here and it's already warm and we're just going to do a little bit of oil, okay? Because what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and cook our potatoes that are nicely diced. Very small, not too big at all, just literally diced into small pieces because we don't want big chunks of potato, okay? And we're just gonna throw that in there into the pan, okay? Just like that, and we're gonna let that cook first because it takes longer to cook potato than it does the chorizo. Okay, and there are different types of chorizo that you can find at the store. You can do pork chorizo, you can do beef chorizo, or you can do soy chorizo. I know that they have soy chorizo, which is actually pretty good too. But today I'm just going to use some regular pork chorizo that I have. Okay, we're just going to let that cook up a bit. And then in that, we're going to go ahead and throw in some garlic and some onion that I have finely diced here with that to give it some flavor. Okay, so that looks like it's actually softening up there. And then with that, what we're gonna do is now we're just gonna go ahead and add our chorizo, okay? So your chorizo would come in what it looks like this, okay? It's gonna be cased with inside and you just squeeze it out just like that. Oh, well that one broke. That's fine because we'll just squeeze it out just like that, okay? Break it up because it comes in a blob. So we're just going to break it up just like that. And you're just going to let it cook. It's probably going to take you literally about maybe like 10 minutes to cook that potato down. If you want, you can go ahead and put the top of your pan on to give it some, you know, some moisture in there to soften up those potatoes some more. So as it's cooking down, because the potato is going to suck up most of that flavor, so we're just going to add literally a little bit of salt to that, okay? Don't over salt it because the chorizo is already salty, but just to put some of that flavor back in to our chorizo with potato, okay? Because if you don't know, potato starch and starches usually take up a lot of your flavor. So just make sure that you add just a little bit of salt as you go along as it's cooking down. And then just to go ahead and after that, you just go put the top back on it and let it continue to keep cooking, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and check on our chorizo. It's been probably cooking for about, let's say about 10 minutes. And you'll know it's done when you can stick your fork through the potato. So that's what we want. And look, it's easy. We're not fighting against it. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna take egg and we're gonna take maybe, let's do about 3 eggs, okay? We're just gonna crack it right on in there. Just like that. You could fry these if you want like over easy egg or over medium, you can, or a fried egg, you could do that. But this is how we used to eat it as kids. So I just throw my egg in there and I cook it in and I mix it well with the chorizo, just like that, okay? Oh my gosh, it looks so good and it smells so yummy. It just brings me back to when I was a kid eating this. And literally all we're gonna do is eat it. How we eat it is we eat it with a tortilla. Just any flour or corn tortilla. I think that's done. Literally, guys, that's it. Look at that. Easy. Takes you about let's say 10 to 15 minutes tops to make a fast breakfast for you and your family. So let's go ahead and plate this up. I got my tortilla already there. Okay, we're just gonna, however much you're used to eating, just plate your food, just like that, okay? Then I have some avocados here that were almost about to expire, but we're gonna use them. Okay, just like that. Then I have some salsa. Okay, we're gonna put our salsa on top of our avocado because that's how I like it. Okay, and then I have leftovers. Don't waste them. If you have leftover cilantro and onion, just throw it on your food there, just like that, okay? And then we have queso fresco, my fave. I'm just gonna put it all on top of there, just like that. Wash my hands there. And then the crema. Woo. Yes, look at that. So easy. Just an easy breakfast. Like I said, that you can whip together that does not cost a lot. So looks just like that. And let's dig in. Okay, so let's taste it to make sure that we love it. And I know it's gonna be good. It's my homemade tortillas. They're so yummy too and so easy to put together. Just make a little taco just like that. You take some of your avocado with your salsa. And I'm gonna add more salsa because I made it and it's yummy. Just like that. I'm excited. Wow. Man, I have not had chorizos con papas y huevos since I was a kid. Ugh. Wow. This is so yummy. And the salsa, it's just amazing. Everything is good. That's great. Guys, that is so good. It's so easy to make. You guys have to try this, okay? And if you try it and you like it, take a picture of it, post it on your social media, and tag me in it. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and the bell so you know exactly when my video comes out, okay? Thanks again so much, guys, for coming into my kitchen and cooking with me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you again next time. Bye. This is yummy.